Hey guys, so as you can see, washing machine imekuja, ni mpya, nimenunua from LG company. The guys have delivered it. They delivered up to your doorstep, wanakuletea hadi mlangoni. So hapo walikuwa they are trying to set it up for me. I told them kuja kuniletea you have to install it kabisa, ndo mkienda nisipate shida. So as you can see there, the guys are trying to install it. Wanajaribu kuiweka vizuri, fixing here and there. Anyways, I'm so excited because this is like my dream machine. It's wash and dry. It's my dream washing machine, and I'm happy that my husband has made my dream come true. Aki, I really love this washing machine. I really love it. Yani ni nzuri na kuoshea na kukaushia tu hapo. It's the best for rainy seasons. Yani it's just the best. LG company have the best things, and I can say that for me it's 100 over 100 LG products. I'm a proud user of LG products. So anyways guys, let us see, let us continue watching venye ata install till we'll use it. Yeah, let's enjoy the video and stay till the end. Hello guys, so my washing machine imefika, mmeona. You all know nyumba yangu ni LG. Mimi ni team LG by the way. Sijui ni team gani. Kama ni team Samsung, kama ni team Mika, kama ni team whatever, I don't know. But me and my husband, we are team LG. So my 9 kgs washing machine imekuwa delivered. It has been set already. Hapo iliko inafanya kazi saizi. I'm so happy, I'm so excited. And sasa hii atakumbuka kusugua mikono kidogo. Mikono kidogo itakuwa kusugua. Anyways, my house is all LG, my fridge is LG, my TV is LG. So let me give you a quick tour of my TV and my fridge and my home theaters. Yani everything kwenye bangu ni LG. Okay, I look a mess. But anyways, housewife, this is how we look like when my skin inaharibikaga. Ama ni vile niko kwa giza, I don't know. So let's go, let me show you my LG fridge. So here we were trying to sign warranty because your washing machine iko na 2 years warranty. So we were signing off the warranty receipt. I was signing kwa it's been delivered in good condition. Unajua lazima you sign hapa na pale because it's goods that imecost pesa mingi. So lazima usign kuonyesha that it's yours. You know. So yeah, we were signing there. Anyways, that's my fridge. That's my 2-door fridge, my favorite fridge LG, and it's very beautiful, it's very cute. Tukifungua ndani unaona kidogo imejaa lakini iko empty. Anyways, haijajaa sana, ina vitu mingi but it's like tu iko empty. And then that's the freezer part pia. So yeah, it has a 10 years warranty pia, the fridge, and it's LG. It's super efficient, it's very nice. And then those are my products. Mika, that is a pressure cooker. Mika na hiyo ingine ni inaitwaje, air fryer also from Mika. So yeah, I have those 2 products from Mika and they're good. I enjoy using them.
I begin to
Hey, look at that. Guys, look at my TV. Okay, that's a TV to die for. Yeah, the TV to die for. That's an 86 inches LG TV. It's a TV to die for. That is my frame, my current frame in the house, you know. Yeah, enjoy. So guys, look at that. This is the view ukikuwa upstairs. Like, this is my view from up there. Look at Mombasa Nyali. It's very beautiful. Lakini kuzuri, it looks nice, the aerial view. I mean, this place is amazing. It's very amazing. Yani ni kuzuri, yani ni kurembo. Just look at that view. Look at the clouds. Hey, che. Anyway, those are our apartments. Uko juu. I just wanted to show you guys how it looks like from up, and you can see the way the view is nice. Everything is perfect. I mean, it's perfect. Hello guys, so that's a glimpse of my house. Nimeamua tu kuonyesha tu kidogo tu. I just show you kidogo kidogo, you know, si yote, kidogo tu. Anyways, nimechoka, but you know when you have a house, a nice house, it's very nice. Like, ukiwa na nyumba nzuri, you invest in good things, it's very nice. Like, ni raha tu, ni raha tu. Hi guys, anyways, that was just like a part of my house. I've given you guys like a house tour, but say house tour kimpango, because I cannot show you everything in my house. You know, I appear to a glimpse because I wanted to show you guys my washing machine, but then imetokea like I've shown you some other stuff. I was showing you my LG TV, my LG fridge, my LG washing machine. So yeah, so basically this is how my living room looks like. It's not that full, it's just authentic. How do we say authentic? Whatever. So next time guys, I'll do for you room tours, bedroom tours, my bedroom, my closet. That's just for next time. But for now guys, I hope you may enjoy that little sneak peek. Nimetoka kuoga, like I've deep conditioned my hair. I want to go and wash it, need blow dry, and then nikuwe perfect, nikuwe mzuri. I hope you guys have enjoyed seeing my short vlog for my house. You're welcome to give me more ideas. You're welcome to suggest more ideas of a house. I know you guys also know. You're all welcome. Yani nyote mnakaribishwa kupeana ideas on the comment. Just give out your ideas, like tell me like Riri, on this place do this, on that place do that. I will appreciate. Actually nitapenda because I like being corrected. Kama kuna mahali maybe haiko vizuri, it needs to be turned a bit, I will take your advices, so feel free to advise me. So basically that is my house, and it looks beautiful. I don't know to you guys how it looks like, but to me it's absolutely gorgeous. It's amazing, and I'm happy with my space. I feel like I'm proud of it. I'm proud of my home. Yeah, so guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to your friends to subscribe on my YouTube channel guys, so that you can drop more vlogs and more vlogs and more vlogs. Anyways, I, Rasmia, say thank you for watching, and let's meet again next time. Bye.